everyone, welcome back. Does Beam log you out every single time you close the app and makes you sign in all over again? This is one of the most complained about Beam issues, and here's what's causing it and how to fix it. Beam uses a security session model where closing the app fully from your recent app ends your active session and it forces a fresh login on the next open. To keep Beam logged in between users, the key is not to forcefully close it from the recent apps. Instead, just press and hold the home button or swipe up from your home screen to background apps rather than swiping it entirely away. This keeps the session alive in the background. Then go to settings and scroll down to Beam and make sure that background app refresh is turned on. Since this allows Beam to keep your session active while it's backgrounded rather than killing it. Also go to the settings again and then search for Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode when prompted and scroll to other apps and confirm that Beam is enabled for Face ID. This won't stop the logout itself but makes the authentication much faster when it does happen. So, all you gotta do is background the app instead of force closing it, turn on background app refresh in the settings, enable Face ID for Beam, logins become much faster, and that's it. Subscribe.